Flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a get ready with me, my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup, it's real quick, easy, simple. It usually takes me about 15-20 minutes, give or take a little bit of time. Go ahead and continue to watch. First, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe, sis. You already know, sis. Join that flower gang, sis. Alright, y'all. Let's get ready. Okay, the first thing that you want to do, like you always do, is just, hello sis, put some primer on. I'm going to chat a little bit, not too much, because when I do my everyday face, I'm not going to hold y'all. I'm usually rushing. Because I'm always, like, behind. Yeah. And honestly, I'm not going to hold y'all. Also, I don't do my everyday face every day, but this is like my go-to, like I'm doing makeup today. My No Problem primer after I use the No Problem essence. So how is everybody doing? I'm really excited for where my channel is about to go. Like, I done hit 1K. Like, I was trying so hard to like hit 1K. Like, it was a hard journey, and now that I've reached that threshold, it's like, okay, I know I can hit 10K, I know I can hit 100K, because I think those are like the milestones, like the big milestones. Like, I know I can do it. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 350. This is like my favorite foundation. So honestly, it's like when you work so hard for something and you finally get there, it was like a crazy feeling. I hit 1K about 2 weeks ago, and like, you know, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for my 1K giveaway. You know, and if you guys have any suggestions, leave it down below. I did do something on Instagram, and a lot of people said they wanted a custom made wig, some accessories, some lashes. So I am going to try to make that happen as best as I can, especially when it comes to the wig. Like, sis, that's my money, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to figure out, you know, if I want, I don't know if I'm gonna just buy a wig like already made and just give it away, or I'm just gonna do and make a wig for you guys, because I don't know if a lot of people know, but I started my channel, sis, for hair, but money and everything like that, and just like being able to put out content as quick as I could, it just was a little bit harder than I anticipated. So then I really started going hard on makeup, and even DIY. Like, my channel was supposed to be only DIY, makeup here and there, DIY, makeup here and there, try on hauls, and hair. But it was supposed to be hair, try on hauls, DIY, then makeup. But I've done so many makeup looks because, honestly, it's easier, because once you buy a palette or foundation or whatever, you have it. So I'm trying to get back into my, like, what I really got here for, because everything is usually affordable, but a lot was going on with me this year. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited for where my channel is going. If you're excited, make sure you thumbs up this video. If you're excited to see this, go through this journey with me, if you've been with me since the beginning, thumbs up this video, sis. Let me know you're still watching me. Let me know I'm still interesting you. Oh, y'all, these are my Morphe Concealrs. I usually use these with my Fenty foundation. I'm the type of person, like, when I do makeup, like, if I'm using this foundation, I have like concealers that coincide with it, like that go directly with it. So like, if I use a certain foundation, I'm usually going to use that concealer on top of it, because I just like the way it looks. I know I'm weird like that. Like, I don't know what it is. Oh, hello. That's fun. Okay, so guys, so let's chat. Like, what are we gonna do when it comes to these try-on hauls? Like, are we gonna do, like, and y'all have any suggestions? I did a Shein one. I will, of course, do another Shein one. I think I'm gonna do a Boohoo one this month. I think that's what I'm gonna do for this month. I have another Shein one coming, and I have an AliExpress coming. But AliExpress is like harder because, like I said in my AliExpress shoe haul, if you haven't seen it, I will link it above. You have to like really take your time when you're a thicker girl or plus size girl or whatever the hell you want to call it, a fat girl, I don't care. All those names do not matter to me. Whatever you prefer. I don't know, full figure, I don't care. Like, I don't care about any of those words. None of those words bother me, hurt me, bother me, or anything like that. So I'll use any of them at any given time. Neither here nor there. But you have to be very careful because I don't want to buy a whole bunch of stuff and none of it fits. Like, that's going to be a waste of time because then I'm going to have to figure out how to get rid of it. Like, I don't want to just buy stuff just to buy stuff and then be like, oh, I don't know how to get rid of this. But what I'll have to get rid of this. But one thing I will let y'all know is that in the future, if something does not fit me, I will leave it. I have a Poshmark I've never used, but I do have one. I'll put those items on Poshmark and you guys can go and purchase them for like $10, $15. Nothing will be over $20. I'm not gonna make y'all pay any. I'm not gonna make y'all pay over $20 for any of those items. It's gonna just be based on what I pay. And I'll probably just go down a little bit, like a few dollars. So if I pay $20 for it, I'll probably say, okay, you could pay $15. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about that. But that's what I think I'm gonna do with the clothes that do not fit or the clothes that I just got, and I'm like, I don't like it too much. Maybe somebody else will like it. So we're gonna start using Poshmark. Yes. So let that marinate, and I'm gonna go do my brows. Whoa. Okay, kitties, we are back, sis. I've only been going for like 5 minutes in real time. But what I'm doing now is I'm just dusting off that excess setting powder. And we about to be done with the face. Like, I don't have time. And I'm gonna
I really have issues.
And I'm just gonna put that on the apples on my cheeks, of my cheeks. I really need to wash my brushes because I've been being lazy. I haven't been doing makeup. Y'all see, I've been going for almost a week. Because Halloween killed Jimmy. Tried to TKO me. TKO, finish him. No, like, that's what Halloween did.
Who still pat their leave? Like this video if you pat it. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Stand by.
Alright, so after that, we're gonna go and start doing our highlight. You know what? I'm gonna do a subtle highlight because my Beauty Bakery is more bling blingy. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Rainforest palette highlight, which I'm not gonna show y'all because I dropped it so many times. At this point, the palette only has one color or two colors in it. So there's that. There's that. Go with my Essentials palette, and I'm just gonna what color lip am I doing? Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna do Emerald. I don't know why. This kind of was off from my outfit, but I want this. This is what I want, so this is what I shall have. Fun kind of gross fact about me is I like to, this is gross, y'all, do not judge me. I like when like I get my eye boogers out and it's like the color of my, I need to make sure that I'm not harming myself. But I like it, like I like when I have, I like it. Oh, I'm gonna go do my lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, kids, we are back. We got our lashes on, nice and natural. So now we're gonna do our lips and our hair together. I'm just going to stop looking like a cockatoo. Yeah. So I'm going in with my dark brown lip liner. Now I'm gonna go with my Ramona Joan. And this is Natalie Piper. something like subtle but still color, like very nudie, pinkish, you know, very blushy, you know what I mean? This is actually my favorite shade of pink, that blush kind of pink, that dusty rose. Oh gosh. Look at my hair, like look what. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some water because I like the way it looks when it's kind of like wavy or whatever. And I want to keep that was too much water clearly in that spot. And I want to keep it kind of like wavy and like, I know I want to do some clips today. I never even wore this. This is from Shein and 2 of the pearls fell out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of mousse. Avocado hair mousse to this. I'm just going to put some in my hand. So I just realized I've never set my face. I'm going to go on my iconic Prep Set and Glow. And I'm just going to set my face. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. And this is the NW48. And I'm just going to put this in my part. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my clothes and I'll be back to show you my final look. Okay you guys, this is my final look. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. This is my, basically my everyday routine. If I'm doing makeup, let me not gas it like I be out here just makeup and galore, cause I don't, sis. Alright, so make sure you join that flower game by subscribing to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss any uploads. Comment down below and thumbs up this video. Remember to bloom because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.